Friday, family and friends. If you're from Costa Well, Joey Jones is back on the road. Let me say congratulations to all the ones that passed and obtained a CDL. Now you know what's gonna be a professional truck driver. That's a blessing, man. I'm here to help. I told you that, you know. I told you once again, I did a couple of videos on in-cab inspection, pre-trip. You know, that's some information that you need to get it in your head, because when you go to the test site, they're gonna ask you. So you are gonna be tested. So that's a lot of stuff that you need to know. You understand what I'm saying? So that's why I keep telling you, you know, study hard and what you see, you know, that it can be done, man. You don't have to be smart rocket scientist to be a professional truck driver. You know, that all takes matter of, you know, dedication, you know, get yourself to do it. Motivation is one of those that I always tell people, you know, and I try to push people to do it more. A lot of people's like, whoa, can I get this done? Of course you can get this done, man. You know, trust me, it can be done. It can be done. You know, I know people that doesn't even speak English. They don't. And they just taking the test in English. All they're doing is just reminding words. Reminding words, however they spell it, however they write it, and that's it. And then when it comes to the test, you know, they take the test and they actually follow instructions and how they say the word, you know, so it can be done to become a truck driver. You know, a lot of people was like, oh no, wait a minute. You don't get to shower? Nah, I'm not going to do that. Hey, listen, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. You know, and then remember, we're a student. It's not your truck. It's your mentor's truck. It's him who decides what you want to do. So if your mentor doesn't shower, then it's bad on you. Because then that means that you're not going to shower either. And the reason why I'm saying this, because I mean, I know, I've lived it, I've been there, I've done it. It's not easy. So then all you have to do is just have patience and be strong. That's it. You don't have to go ahead and quit. You know, you don't have to quit. You know, just hang on. Don't be a quitter. Okay? You know, so therefore, just do what you gotta do, man. But trust me, it goes in no time. You know, it goes in no time. And there's also females. You know, there's a lot of females too that are already driving with the mentor. They're already driving solo. And that's a blessing. You know, it's a blessing for me to help a lot of people. Right now, I'm almost 3,000, you know, subscribers, 3K. You know, so if my content wasn't good, then why so many subscribers? And it's a blessing for me to bless all these students, all these drivers, all these even people that's over the road. They be, you know, following me too as well. You know, and again, you know, blessings to all the ones, you know, and lots of love. I'm here to help, you know. A lot of people want to meet me, you know, at the truck stop or something. But you know, I'm on the East Coast. I'm on Pennsylvania. Some of these people say, yo, Joe, I'm almost here. You know, I'm in Hershey, PA. I'm like, yeah, you're still like 3 hours away. You know, but yeah, I mean, there's a lot of people that would like to meet me in person. But yeah, eventually we will meet, you know, some way or the other. But I just want to say, listen, doesn't matter what school you go to, keep up your hope, keep up your faith, and trust me, pray to God. You know, this is how I did it. Praying to God, have faith. Wow, Joe, what do you mean? Yeah, I mean, I asked God, you know, to keep me, you know, keep me safe, you know, protect me while I'm on the road, while I'm driving these rigs, when I don't even know how to back up, when I don't even know what I'm doing, you know, because when you're in school, it's a whole different scenario than when you're out in the real world. In the real world, people watching you, you know, and you have to be careful on how you back in and stuff, because people, that's all they want to do. You know, they just watching you how you back in, and the first thing they do is they pull out their phone and they already want to record you. And here we go, she already got again, getting ready to hit a pole. Boom, there it is. Or here we go, Swift. Again, here we go, you getting ready to hit something. Oh no, right on YouTube. You know, so then you're the mentor. You're the professional truck driver. You know what to do. Keep up your head up. Pay attention to what you're doing. Watch the mirrors. God bless you all. Love y'all. I'll see you in my next video, man. Don't be a quitter. Alright?